Hello, my fellow Americans. As your president, I'd like to speak to you today about a great treasure called education. Upon the subject of education, I can only say that I view it as the most important subject which we as a people can be engaged in. So I was delighted when I learned that the folks at the Civil War Roundtable Congress will be holding a series of workshops this summer. They tell me that the aim of these sessions is to help leaders from roundtables enrich themselves on the finer points of helping their organizations grow and thrive. And not just through book learning either. No, you won't have to sit by the fireside till all hours reading. The main focus of these workshops will be to develop strategies to enhance your recruitment marketing to increase your membership, and also to find partnership opportunities to help your roundtable grow within your fine communities. Each workshop will cover both of these important topics. You'll get a chance to meet with your peers and discuss their experiences, successes, and lessons learned. There will be plenty of time for networking, too. And they tell me lunch is included. Hopefully not salt pork and hardtack. The good Lord knows you have probably had your fill of that. The first workshop is scheduled for Saturday, July 27th from 9 a.m. to 4 in the afternoon. It will be held at that fine Cathedral of Learning on the beautiful campus of Shenandoah University in Winchester, Virginia. The second workshop will be held on August 17th in the Hoosier State at the Indiana War Memorial located in beautiful Indianapolis, Indiana, the crossroads of America. You can get your tickets by visiting the Civil War Roundtable website or clicking on the red button at the bottom of this screen. So don't wait to register as tickets are limited. And the best part is, the cost of a ticket is only $35. That reminds me of a story about a man I once knew. All right, I know. I won't bore you with all that. I think of leading a round table a lot like cutting down a tree. It takes more than one blow to get the job done. If you give me 6 hours to split some rails, I will spend the first 4 sharpening my axe. Go sharpen your axe this summer by participating in one of the great workshops that the Civil War Roundtable Congress has planned. Thank you for your time and attention. Sorry we didn't have time for a story. Farewell from your sincere friend and President, A. Lincoln.